Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Voice of Basangi channel. We also equally teach. Sorry for this notifications popping up. Uh, we also teach on how to build your SEO. If you have a platform that you want your SEO to grow, we also do that on this channel. So for that, I want to give you a very strong do follow backlinks from a very strong website, from a very strong platform. First of all, let's check the metrics of this domain. You see its DR and you see its DR and some informations. You can see its domain rating is around 67 and it has backlinks, 29k backlinks, and linking websites 3 points, and all backlinks are quality and good. So that's why I want to get quality do-follow backlinks from this platform. So without further ado, let's start. First of all, you go to the platform. You go to the platform IEEE-dataports.org. Then I will leave a link to this in the video description, so you can just click through and go and create your own do-follow backlinks. And note, this is instant approval. Before I continue, please, if you are getting value from what I'm trying to create, and so far if you are getting some more of impact from what my own video, please do a favor by liking, share, and subscribing to this channel, because we're putting a lot of effort to create such a video. So you click on create account. After clicking on create an account, to take you to this page. Then here on this page, you input your first name, your surname, then your email address, then your password, confirm password. Then once you're done with that, you add a security question. Say, you say the answer should be. Sometimes they don't. I actually use the temp mail, but sometimes such platforms don't accept temp mail, so you will be required to use Gmail instead, just in case if this did not work out. So you accept the privacy policy and you click on create an account. So there's a captcha, you fill it and verify. So I believe the email worked. So verification code has been sent to the mail. So yeah, received. Now let's copy the verification code and we'll go back to the platform, paste it, and click on it has been pasted. I don't know why. Okay, the continue button as shown. Now account has been created, so you click on continue, and you will still need to log in because the account has just been created. Click on login, fill in those informations, and sign in. Once you sign in, you go to the My Account tab. Once you're here, you click on Edit. It's actually a profile backlink. It's 100% do follow. It's 100% do follow backlinks. All will be inspected in this video. So when here, you scroll down, you can decide to add your profile picture if you wish to. For me, what I'm interested in is creating backlinks. So let's get, wow, sorry, I just need to deactivate some plugins in order to, or rather, just block. Okay, it's been blocked here. Sorry. This is one of our music blog. We're actively building links on. So grab your own URL and paste it in this field where it said external URL. There's I'm building links to one of my category page. So I can say that's the link text should be to me. Download uh, download latest music TCP base. That's MP3. That's mine. So it's less for you what you want to add as a you can add yours might be a business platform. You can use very good you can use a very good keyword for yours and it will work pretty much fine. So there's mine. You can decide to add more links in case you have any. In my own case, I have do in my own case I have I'll go back it. Alright, you might also still decide to add another. It's unlimited. Now you can decide to add your bio, or say TCP base entertainment platform. That's the best I can do for now. I don't need to stress myself. So you click on save and boom, starting with the changes has been saved. You can now go to your profile, just click on view and you see the external links here. You can see, look at the second website I equally added. So you can grab it and send it to, I will also make a video. There's a platform called Index Jump. This platform helps you index your backlinks. Yeah, I will soon make a video on how to use this platform effectively to get your links indexed quickly. But in the case of this website that we built links from, is an instant approval and it gets indexed. So you don't need to worry about indexing the links. So it will be indexed. So that's all for this tutorial. Please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or any kind of you're confused about anything you want me to make video on. Just drop it in the comment section and I will attend to it. So thanks for watching.